New Year's Eve, 2011. It's going to be 2012 tomorrow. And Braden is eating grilled cheese and drinking apple juice. Ew, and he's playing with his noise putty. Show him what your noise putty...
And a bouncy putty, too.
Yeah, show him what your noise putty does, Braden.
Ew!
So, no, make another... Try to push it down.
Ew, it's poopy on my mouth.
Do another one.
Ew, it's farted.
Make it go real loud. It's not doing it. That's weird. Hold on. Try it again. Okay, now do it like you did last time. Push it down. Stuff it down. Stuff it all the way down, Braden. Oh, try to stuff it in there.
I made a hole in there.
Okay, keep going.
I made a hole in there.
Try to keep sticking it down there.
I made a hole in there.
Okay, try again. Just stick it all the way down.
I made a hole in there.
Oh, stick it all the way in. Braden. Say, this is New Year's Eve fun with my boy. We're classy folk, I tell you. Say bye-bye. Don't eat it. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
New Year.
Braden, wave. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.